Have y'all ever? This seemed like something Amber probably thought about too. Have y'all ever thought about where the fuck the names of the sounds animals make? Like, who said it was a oink? Who said it was a bark? Who said it was a
No,
quack?
I'm never that high.
The only
Listen.
one, the
Oink,
only one
oink.
that makes the only one that makes sense is cows because we what they do move.
Moo, yeah.
Right. That's the only one that makes sense. Did anybody ever
A pig
like?
got going oink oink.
It
Wait a
sure
minute.
look like
Frogs
it.
don't
No,
go
no, no.
ribbit.
Hold on. Name it. Tell me the last time you heard a pig actually say oink.
Oink oink
It was like,
I mean, I just they kind of grunt.
That don't
snorting.
sound. It still don't sound like an oink.
A pig snorts, not oink. It's a
the English vocabulary is fucked up. We know.
so.
Very.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I feel
What?
like majority of the English language is shit for one. That's why when people be like, "Oh, you spelled this wrong or you said this wrong," I don't give a fuck.